Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set screen lock on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, setting a screen lock such as a PIN, pattern, password, or biometric authentication enhances the security of the device by preventing unauthorized access. It acts as a barrier to protect personal information and sensitive data stored on the device. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, to begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, so here scroll down and select the lock screen and AOD option. Okay, within this page, choose the first option available, which presents 4 screen lock options. The first option is a PIN. Okay, enter a PIN with a minimum of 4 digits. Then proceed by selecting Next and confirming the entered PIN. Okay, moving on to the next method, there is a password option. Okay, so here input a password with a minimum of 4 characters. Then click Next and confirm the previously entered password. And the third option is a pattern. Create a pattern by connecting at least 4 dots on the screen, and then confirm the pattern to set it as your screen lock method. Okay, lastly, the fourth option is swipe, where you can unlock the screen by simply swiping across the screen. Choose the screen lock method that best suits your security preferences and convenience. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to set screen lock on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.